Hi, it's me again with CorelDraw Tips and Tricks. And I did a video on this project yesterday, but I was cutting the picture in half. The young lady only wants this cut in half and put the other side on this half. Almost the same process. So what I'm going to do is find out how big this is 10.08. And just a word of warning, I've changed your nudge factor to 0. Because when I make a duplicate of this, I don't want it to go up that quarter inch. So I've changed my nudge distance, or I've changed my duplicate distance, but I changed my nudge distance of this. So when we move this over, it'll be exactly half of the other one. So what we need to do is take like we did in the previous video, let's zoom in a little bit. We're going to take a 2-point line. And I've already checked this thing. Well, we're going to see, I'm on an intersection to intersection. And then it doesn't really look like it's in the center, but when you click on it and actually zoom in, our line is right there in the center of the line. I'm going to make that line white. Don't ever do that, but just make it white so we can see it. Now I'm going to select it all and I'm going to nudge it over. And then I need to take this thing and make sure you copy it all. Hit the plus key on your keyboard and nudge it over again. So we need to delete this side. We're going to use the crop tool just like we did the other day, but make sure you have this selected or everything else in your picture is going to go away. And I would actually start on this side and make sure you're big enough and then have it snap to that line and then crop. Now we can move that, nudge it twice, and we're right there. I'm hoping that's what she wants. Same thing here, but this time we want to get rid of this line. So make sure you have it selected. And this time we want to leave this, or we want to crop this out. So we're going to come in the same direction. And I would start over here and work toward the line, and it should snap to the line, and then hit crop. Whoop! I was thinking just the opposite. Let's take the crop tool. I need to delete this side with the crop tool. So I'm just going to go from this side and it should snap to that line and then hit crop. So you're cropping out that picture and then just nudge it back over. Really easy. And then I would make sure what you could do, you have a little bit of a line there, especially if you're printing this. That one's a little better, but as you back out, so you could change your nudge distance to 0.001 and zoom in on that guy and get rid of that line by clicking on this and minutely moving it over. You won't be able to detect it in the other picture. Click on that and just double click and you should be good to go to print. That's pretty cool. I really like that emblem. It's not as easily read, but it looks pretty good. Anyway, I hope that helped a little bit. Thank you for watching.